Hey guys, this is Dr. Vikas with another video. Everybody is worried about breathing issues during this pandemic, and most of the people who get affected by this virus have lung issues. So, here is a simple test to see if your lungs are working fine. It's called the BOLT test, BOLT, that is breathing oxygen level test. It was devised by this gentleman by the name of Patrick McCune. So, it's a very simple test. All you have to do is breathe in normally, breathe out normally a couple of times. And on your third or fourth breath, when you breathe out, just hold your breath for as long as you can. Try targeting 25 seconds or more. Anything less than 25 seconds is problematic. The moment you start feeling the air hunger, the moment you start feeling कि आपके पेट में कुछ involuntary contractions हो रहे हैं, आप breathe करना चाहते हो तो breathe कर लीजिए, because we're just testing how much time can your lungs hold without oxygen. We're not testing how much time you can hold without oxygen, right? So I'll show you how it is done. See if you can hit that score. If you can't hit that score, there are many things that you have to do to increase your lung power. One of them is do pranayam every day. I already shared that you can do two main types of pranayam, that is Bhastrika and Kapalabhati. You can also do Anulom Vilom. Bhastrika is done like this. Kapalbhati is when you breathe out voluntarily and you breathe in involuntarily, very fast, like this. And Anulom Vilom is alternate nostril breathing. You breathe in through your left nostril, breathe out through your right, breathe in through your right, breathe out through your left alternatively. And we believe in Ayurveda that the right nostril signifies the sun energy, the left nostril signifies the moon energy. And if you do this, you balance out your sun and moon, the yin and yang, and the masculine and the feminine energies. So this is done like this. This is Anulom Vilom. When you don't hear any sound, when it's totally silent, and that is called Nadi Shodhan. Nadi Shodhan means it cleanses out your blood vessels and nadis. So here you go. This is how it's done. There will be no sound. So you can do this, and one very easy way of making sure that you get enough lung exercise is using a lung exerciser like this. You can get it in the market for a couple of ₹100. The one I have is from a company called Neonic. I hope you can read that. Neonic. So what you have to do is you hold this part, make sure it's clean. If any other family members used it, make sure you clean it properly, or have a personal one, don't share it with anyone. And what you have to do is that you have to suck in, and there are three balls here: the green ball, the yellow ball, and the red ball. So this green ball signifies that you inhale about 600 cc of air. The yellow one signifies that you've inhaled 900 cc, and this one is 1200 cc. So aim for 1200 cc and hold it for a period of 5 seconds minimum. If your lung power is not enough, not good enough, you probably won't be able to hit the red ball. You may go like this. Two balls. If your lungs are doing well, you can hit all the three balls like this. You can do this 10 to 15 times, 2 times in a day. It's a very good lung exercise. You can buy it off the net. I did. And so these couple of things will help you with the lung power. Another thing you can do to keep your lung passage clean is take steam at least once a day. If you go out for any reason, for any work, you must take this steam when you come back home. If you don't go out and if you stay home, you must take this anyway once a day. Breathe in the steam with your nose and breathe out from your mouth 10 times, like and breathe in through your mouth and breathe out through your nose 10 times. Do this with steam, right? So if you do this, you believe that coronavirus first stays in your nasal passage and in nasal cavity for a couple of days. Otherwise, also it's healthy to take steam, and this will make sure that your lung passage is totally clean. So these couple of things, if you do, you can ward off any ill effects of lung capacity related issues. So you have a good day, guys. Bye bye.